Day viewers, our projects are about to take over around here, more than I can keep up. Got 2 projects would need to be finished on my expedition, including fixing that window. Talking about my siding, got all the deck took down and I got several rows of siding needs to be replaced. I don't want to get it all ripped out and then have a storm come up, saying there's nothing but raining here lately. I think I'm going to run into a little bit of sill plate rot in a couple places there, but I got the house wrap, that black siding. I can't think of what you call the type. It's about a 1/2 inch thick over the board. Only one place I can see the board right there where it's rotted out. And the wood feels hard, so I think it's going to be alright. But I want to get my material and get it ready to go. Jump on there and get it done. I got to go check the mail today. I'm expecting a package. A thing I ordered to fix the trigger valve on my nail gun.